Hi guys, so today I will be talking about great Gherkins Kosher Dill sandwich slices, pickles. Right here it just says fresh pack for extra crunch. And then over here it just says no certified synthetic colors, refrigerate after opening. And then on the back it just has nutrition facts. Servings about 10, serving size 1 ounce, about per servings calorie 0, total fat, and yeah, all that good stuff. It tells you the ingredients at the bottom, and then it just says double guarantee, and then over here it just tells you like it's a steel lid, a glass jar, it's all recyclable, and then yeah, and then on the front it just says the same thing it says on the side, and yeah, it just tells you like don't purchase if this little part is up. But yeah, just getting started on this. So actually guys, great Gherkins. These pickles are probably the only thing of this brand that I have, guys. But literally I just want to get started on how I even came about this and my love for pickles, which is unhealthy. But so just getting started, I'm a huge Aldi fan. I love Aldi's. I think Aldi saves you a lot of money, and it's just an overall good brand, or like a good store to me, and I just love everything Aldi's related. But yeah, so I literally, ever since I was little, I remember my mom would always be like, go get a snack. Everybody else would be like getting fruit snacks and stuff, and I would be sitting on my kitchen floor with a jar of pickles. My favorite are like these little sandwich slice pickles, and then also I love like the whole pickles, but these are like easier to eat, and I extremely love them. I actually, like, this is sort of off topic, but I actually use these to make fried pickles. I batter them with like my pancake batter, and I know you guys are probably like, what? But and I fry them and it tastes really good. But yeah, so that's one thing that you guys can use for these. But I've always loved pickles growing up, and I love everything about Aldi's, and so I'm willing to try for the most part pretty much everything there. But these definitely caught my eye when I was like going down the aisle, because the original brand that I would get these little sandwich slices from was twice, almost 3 times the price of how much these were. So just going off bat with just prices, these are very inexpensive, guys. I literally, like, I can buy 3 cans for the price of probably like 1.5 can of like a name brand pickle brand, I guess, like a name brand pickle company or pickle brand. But yeah, these are very inexpensive. They come with like a lot in them, and I don't know if you guys can see at the bottom, but it just says the net weight is 16 fluid ounces, and then it's 473 milliliters. So yeah, if any of you guys are like really into like sizes, or you guys measure your food by like ounces and things like that, that's how many ounces are in this container. Usually with a lot of like off-brand things, like a lot of people say it like tastes different, or things around that, things that have to do with that, like people are like, oh, it's an off taste, or it doesn't taste like this, or it doesn't taste like that. But my thing with when people say things like that, it's just that I feel like people have become accustomed to what like the name brand tastes like so much that their palates aren't open to tasting anything else. And so, but this, guys, honestly, pickles are pickles to me. And yeah, I can agree that some may taste different, but guys, these pickles are so good. And I'm going to tell you guys a few things of what I use this for. I don't only eat them out the can. I think those are perfect pickles to go with your hot dogs because they're so long. And what I do is I just take one pickle out and I'll cut it in half and I'll put it in my hot dog. Something else that I really love doing is I love taking it and cutting it not long ways, but directly in the half, and I put it on my hamburger. Something else that I love to do is I'll take like the pickles and I'll dice them up, and I love like pickled like chicken salad and pickled tuna. I love pickles in my chicken and tuna salad, so I'll just throw them in there. And then yeah, like that's pretty much what I use pickles for, aside from just eating them out the can, because yeah, pickles are just overall good. But anyway, for the most part, this is like one of the only things that I've tried by this brand right here. I really, from tasting these pickles, I have no complaints. I think they're good. I love the pickle juice. The pickle juice on it is honestly the best part, drinking it at the end. But I really do love these pickles. So good. I literally have no complaints. And like I said, guys, I purchased these from Aldi's, but you can find them on Amazon. They're really, really good, inexpensive, definitely worth your money. And so, like I said again before, these are just the great Gherkins Kosher Dill sandwich slices. And yeah, they're very tasty. And these are just like the long ones that are the thick, wide ones.